G'day, welcome to the 40 channel. So, Sam's work is slowly moving forward. Now, we're only doing little bits at a time. It's a very busy time of year. What time of year is it?
Christmas.
Alia's favourite time of the year. So, she's done a lot of work at decorating the house, inside and out. Looks absolutely spectacular. And on top of that, Alia had her year 10 graduation and her formal, and she looked absolutely beautiful. So did Minty. So that was pretty cool too. Anyway, let's get into Sam.
Good one.
Now you just scratch the paintwork.
I did not. It looks like it's been scratched anyway.
Put it later.
Wait, where?
Righto, so we've been playing around some other bits and pieces with Sam. I've actually started the dash. Alia hasn't seen that yet. I'm about to show her in a minute. And as you say, we're just throwing the bonnet on, starting to really bring Sam together. Now we've been waiting on a few bits and pieces to bring the wiring together, which is why I've been doing the dash, trying to get this whole wiring system done. What have we been waiting on, Ali?
All 4x4.
And what is all 4x4 sent us?
Blinkers?
Blinkers? Bit of bling blinkers. So these are, been waiting for these. These are period correct, genuine Toyota. And you, like I said, all 4x4, you jump on their webpage, you got all the genuine Toyota stuff. Really cool shop, they'll help you out. What do we got, Ali? Show us. One, give it a bit of a spin. Easy, simple installation. Righto, now check that out. The whole dash has come up like brand new and it looks sensational. Now we stripped the whole dash down. We didn't show much of it. We didn't film much of it because we've done all that before, so you can check that episode out. But we stripped the whole dash down. We pulled all the rubbers out. We buffed up the little high beam light here because it was just looking really crusty and white. We've coated the whole thing in the Chem Tools NPR white. Cleaned all the glass. Now all the rubbers, all the rubber gaskets that were around the glass were very perished and they did not look amazing at all. We used Chem Tools 8401 to sort of glue it all together just to save those rubber gaskets together. And once it's all pressed together, it'll seal them off and good. We didn't touch anything to do with this speedometer. We didn't change any of that. We've left all that the same and it looks absolutely, oh man, it looks so good, especially for something being so old. Now, the back is a bit of a different story. Now, as far as we know, it all worked well, but we're gonna double check all the wiring, clean it all up, test everything from here, and hopefully we're gonna be okay. Put new plugs on, the whole lot. Alright, some very basic testing. We're just gonna make sure that that we have connectivity through all the wiring. And we're just going to work through each wiring as we go, and then we're going to pop out all the plugs because this is all a bit corroded, and we've got 3 pins in both plugs. We're going to turn that into a 1 6-pin plug, and we're going to build our own wiring for this one. All we need to do on each splade, there's a tiny little barb, and if you just get a sharp push down on that barb, lock that in place, and while you're pushing down on that barb, get a screwdriver and just push it out. Then you can just pull that out, and there's your new piece. The only other thing you might want to do is just push that barb back up so it's ready to go back into the new plug. We'll just do that with all of them now. Right, now they're all out, just a bit of fine sandpaper. We're just going to clean up all the terminals. Now we've got them all nice and clean. We've got a brand new plug here. Like I said, we had two 4-pin plugs, but only 3 pins in each. So I'm not sure why Toyota did that. There might have been something extra there, who knows. We're going to use a 6-pin and make a whole new wiring harness. Each wire coming off that is either your high beam, your oil, your fuel, all those type of things. Make sure these barbs are pressed up nice and high after pushing them out, because that means when you press them into the new plug, you'll hear it lock in and it's nice and secure. There's our new plug for the back of our cluster. Ready to go. On top of that, we've got a brand new speedometer cable. So this will obviously screw straight on the back and run into the gearbox. But this is pretty much ready to put into Sam. Righto, so the end of the speedometer cable, there's no rubber grommet to go through where the firewall is. So we're actually going to make one. Now obviously the hole is only just big enough for the end of that cable to go through, and this is not going to just fit straight over. So all we're going to do, punch a hole straight in the center of this rubber grommet here. Just like that. Now still you can see that we're not going to get it over that. It's just a crazy stretch to get onto our cable here. We actually want to go that way. So I'm going to cut the rubber grommet. So we've got a split in it now. Slide it over my cable, and then with a tiny bit of rapid stick, line that up, glue that back together. Now the rapid stick is perfect for this. You can actually make O-rings, rubber seals, a whole lot, so that will join together and will not come apart. Now we have a little bit more dust-proof, waterproof seal around where that's got to slide in the firewall. Righto, they look absolutely awesome. They're just really bringing Sam to life, aren't they? But check out the dash. Show the dash, Ali. Nice, that's going to tie in really, really nice. Righto, so there's still a stack of work to be done to Sam, and we're just going to be probably just tinkering away in it the next few weeks. So you probably won't see too much happening with Sam because I really want to get this wiring done. Hinges, rubbers, all lots of little bits and pieces. So we're going to get to that point where there's not going to be really exciting stuff happening. Windows, but I think we'll wait till we get to the interior and then we'll pull back in. So it could be a couple of weeks before you see anything really happen on Sam. We've got plenty to do to Minty, some upgrades coming up on Minty, which is pretty exciting too. But like we said before, if you guys are chasing any genuine Toyota stuff, check out all 4x4 spares, full web page, everything's easy to order, and they're very helpful over the phone as well. So anyway, until next time.
Thanks for watching.